In front of me is Google Pixel 7 and today I would like to show you how you can enter all text correction options available on this device. Begin by opening Settings. Then scroll all the way down and tap on System. Now you need to tap on Languages and Input, then On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Gboard. All you need to do from here is click on Text Correction, and as you can see, all typing features are here. In order to try one of them, just tap on the sweater next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!